Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is banana peels. So I will show you what banana peels can be used for. That is the benefits of banana peels. You don't have to throw banana peels away. These banana peels you see contain enough nutrients for your skin, for your garden, for many things you don't even know of. It contains essential nutrients. So the first thing you have to do is to get this banana peel and cut it into pieces. Once you have done cutting it, depending on how many or how large the one you have cut, then what you have to do is to get your container or anything you have at home that you can use to store it that have a very good cover. Just get it, pour all the banana peels inside the container, inside the bowl, anything that have a very good cover, just get it, then pour all of them inside it. Then get water. You can use 1 cup of water, 2 cups, depending on how large it is. So pour everything, all the water inside it. So once you have done, then you have to cover it and keep it in a very good temperature. Cool temperature is the best. You have to leave it for 2 days, 2 to 3 days, so that it can decompose very well. These banana peels contain potassium, it contains phosphorus, it contains sodium. These are always seen in fertilizer that can help to grow crops. So this banana peel, when stored like this, can help in many ways. It can help for many things, and it acts like a very good fertilizer. So you have left it for like 3 to 4 days. So look at how it is. Then go to your garden, anywhere you have plants, go there, then go to the roots and add little one is under the plants. So that's how you have to do it every day, and you will see changes on your crops, on your plants. This one is maize garden, so I'm using it on the garden, as I'm using it as a fertilizer. You don't need fertilizer again. This is a fertilizer on its own. This banana peel is a fertilizer on its own. So you have to pour it under the root so that it will enter and help for the growth, and you will see changes on the cloth. So this is how to use it. Banana peels is very, very good, not only for the skin, but it also helps for the crops, for the plants to grow very well. So that is how to do it. Subscribe to my channel, share this video.